Hi folks, so here's how to arm your tricopter and pick the different modes. I'm going to try and do this with the aid of a pointer. So those are the status lights down there, the LEDs. You should be able to see them light up. And there's the armed light back there. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect the LiPo very loosely, just because I'm on my own here and I don't want to cut my fingers off. You'll hear the beeping and you'll see that L2 has come on. Right? If L2 does not come on, it's because your throttle is in too high a position or your trim's not set low enough. If you don't get L2, you're not going to get anywhere. So as soon as your throttle is low enough, your sub trim is set, your trim lever is all the way at the bottom, whatever it takes to get the board registered, everything's connected, you'll get L2 light. Now, moving the aileron stick to the left and holding it in position will bring on the armed light. You'll see now the tricopter is armed and it is ready to spin up. I'm not going to spin it up because of where the camera is right now. So that is the armed position. Moving it to the right and holding it will disarm it. So that's the basic flying mode. Most of your flying will take place in that space. There are two other modes. The ones I want to show you here are, firstly you have to arm it, then you hold your aileron stick, elevator aileron stick, your right stick for most of us, up at the top right, and you'll see the armed light flash twice. That is kind of the busy mode. In other words, the first arming position is a basic flight mode, normal flight. The way I armed it with two flashes is much busier, much more aggressive flying. You can disarm it. The next thing to do is to arm it in what's known as wild mode. So you arm it. Once it's armed, you hold your elevator aileron stick up to the top left, and you'll see the light will flash 3 times. That means it's in wild mode. When I say wild, I mean wild. The thing will be incredibly responsive. So I'll just run through that again very quickly. Hold the stick to the left, we'll arm the tricopter in basic mode. Move it to the right, we'll disarm it. Hold it to the left, arm it. You want to go a little bit more aggressive, hold it up on the top right, the light will flash twice. Hold it up on the top left, the light will flash 3 times. Now you're armed in wild mode. So that's how you arm it. Disarm it, hold it to the right, and do yourself a favor, always disarm it before approaching it, otherwise you'll end up with a few stitches in yourself. Thanks for watching.